In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unsend a snap on Snapchat. Okay, so I'm on the chat section of Snapchat, and if I just go to a chat and then send a quick message, now this is a text message, and I hit the send button, you can see that message is now sent. Now, if I want to go ahead and unsend this text message, all I need to do is press and hold on the text, and then a menu will pop up, and then one of the options is delete. Tap on delete again, and that message is now deleted. Now if I go ahead and send a picture from my gallery or a video, tap on the send button, I can do the same thing and then press on it and then press the delete button. Delete again. So all you need to do is long hold and then delete. Now the only ones that you can't delete are pictures and videos that you send using the Snapchat camera itself. The only option would be to delete your account in order to unsend those snaps using the Snapchat camera. So that is how you unsend a snap on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.